Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to show you how you can add this cool animated button to your videos. So this is a subscribe now animation, and here you can see a preview of this animation. Now if you want to add this to your videos, it's very simple and easy. You can use different applications, and I am going to show you how you can use PowerDirector for Android to add this subscribe now button to your videos. So as you can see, it is available at pixabay.com and it is completely free. You just need to download this. You have different options and a quality option, so you can choose whatever you prefer and download this one. You can also see we have other options as well. So you can download any animation of your choice. Simply Google subscribe button pixabay.com and you can see different results. Now start Cyberlink PowerDirector and you can create a new project, or you can also edit your existing project. So I am going to edit my existing project. Let's open this project, and here you can see a preview of this video. Now I'm going to delete these animations, so I will show you how you can do this from start. After deleting these animations, I can do it again. Now simply tap on this option and choose video. In my downloads directory, you can see I have these two animated buttons. So let's try this one. Tap plus and let's add this one as well. Now go back to our project. We can change the duration for both of these subscribe now buttons. Select the first one and you can see this option edit. So tap on this pencil and now choose chroma key. Choose this color picker and select the green color, and you can see green color has been removed. And now you can move it anywhere you prefer. Let's play projecting. Now select the second option and you can also move this anywhere you prefer. Let's choose the pencil icon and now choose chroma key, and this time I am going to select the black color. Now black color has been removed, and let's play our video again. Now let's export our project. I'm going to produce a video 720 and produce, and now let's play our video. So this is how you can easily add this animated subscribe now button to your videos using Cyberlink PowerDirector. Thank you very much for watching this video.